Just installed the grinder pump. Seems well built, just replaced an existing pump. Am a little worried about the 1 inch to 2 inches adapted discharge size, but we'll see. It's quiet and doesn't slam the piping when it starts. The check valve had to be replaced too. Am hoping for many years of trouble-free service. We use it as in a sewage system, shower plus toilet bowl. This pump is lighter than the original, so it was very easy to replace. Came on time and worked as promised. Works well. Well priced for a grinder pump. Excellent pump. Finally fixed our sewage problem. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.